Welcome to Visalia Ford. I'm Donnie Landry, and today I'd like to talk to you about this beautiful EcoBoost Mustang 2.34 cylinder turbo that has massive power and great economy. It's 310 horsepower, and yet it gets 32 miles to the gallon. So you have power, sporty car, and economy, all based in one. Now this particular model is your automatic transmission, 10-speed automatic transmission, which is the entry level, except for the automatic transmission is the addition. Good trunk space. You have the back seats will lay down so you can have extra room. You have the comfort and quality of the #1 selling sports car in America. This car is beautiful on the highway. It handles nice. It has rear independent suspension, which makes it hold the road, hug the road with a good stance. Please, by all means, come and visit me at Visalia Ford, Donnie Landry. Thank you.